Hello and welcome to Beyond the Box Art. My name's Tom, people call me Mad Cat. This is our most recent eBay listing. We've recently sold some stuff there. My Death Guard has been sold by Beyond the Box Art on eBay, and now this is the first of a few different Blood Angels that are going to end up on there. It would have been a much longer proper video for this week, but unfortunately I've completely and utterly run out of time. I'll put the listing link down below and a link for my shop on eBay. We're hoping to have this up on the website next week. Website's still to be launched. That's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want to purchase it, click on the link. Love you, question everything, have fun, bye. If you enjoyed that episode of Beyond the Box Art, make sure to follow me on all my social medias. And if it pleases you to procure one of my painted pieces, you can peruse the eBay shop. And if you really enjoy the content, you can